It's been an amazing edition. It's great to be back at the Benz. It's been too many years without the Benz, and we are delighted because after many years sending engineers to the event, being a sponsor, it's been superb, and hope to be here next year.
The atmosphere is really awesome. A lot of developers, a lot of engineers, and we're extremely happy. I think we'll come back next year.
Well, it was a highly anticipated event. We're looking forward to coming here, expecting a couple of years to get a face-to-face interaction again with all the community. So we're super happy to participate as gold sponsors this year, and of course looking forward to participate in the next editions.
Everybody seems to be having a lot of fun.
I have to say that there is the right profile, so the right people. We have guys that are looking for insight to implement their skills, and that's why probably they are attending such kind of conference.
Yeah, I think that we were waiting for this kind of attendees, more like technical guys, Java, DevOps. So I think that, yes, this fits with our expectations about the profile.
Well, honestly, we were expecting to find a little bit less professionals than what we've really found. We've been getting in touch with really good people. We were really surprised to find people that could apply to our company and that have interest in our product. So I would say that it has been very successful in that side.
We think that we have the kind of profiles we were expecting to come visit us, so we are glad of it.
Quite simply, just to be here and to show our brand, to actually talk to people what we are all about and what we actually do, and show the technology that we are using as well. I think that's been one of the greatest highlights. And all of our merchandise has disappeared, so I think the name is out there and it's been very positive.
For us to come here is to really get involved in the tech community that we have here in Malaga and support it, as well as get our own knowledge from other thought leaders in the industries.
Yeah, I think principally we are hiring in Spain, and therefore we wanted to, build a brand as an employer as well, and meet some great talent and show ourselves, show the company.
It's important to bring visibility to your brand, to your company. So I would highly recommend to be here at Jay on the Beach.
So it's very good in terms of the content, very good in terms of the interaction, so I definitely will recommend to be here.
Absolutely, yeah.
We do. Yeah. I think it's a great place to know new people, to get contacts.
Of course, I mean, if you like beach, good food, a good environment, a lot of good people, it's your event.
It's a pleasure to be here. Thank you very much.